let's check. Two is cracked. See, one here, a little bit here, a little bit here. That's a big crack over here as well. This one. Otherwise, the wood is good. Let's figure out how to do it. First, take P80, go with the grain. Clean the surface of the pad. And then for finishing, you take 220 here, that's a smaller. Go for super glue, apply into the corners between the bed. Make sure you don't apply too much, just a little bit. That's it. You can see how like here, a little bit damage here as well. So okay, a little bit here. Let it dry for like 30 seconds or something. Let it dry soon. Yeah, I'm just trying it as soon as possible. Okay, so once it's get dried, use the 220, the smallest one. Maybe small one as well. Take the 220 visuals and scrub where you put the glue on. Just a little bit. So the surface is even, not so worried. Now you can see this one is totally filled perfect. This one's look good. This one is also here, looks perfect. This one is good. It will keep you safe for a while, I guess. But yeah, it's not those big cracks which you need to do a threading and all. So I guess this will work for this bed. And then after, once you're done with this, either use the linseed oil. I'm using the Pental, it's cheap but it's good. Or you can use the bed wax as well. I'm using bed wax because it's not the first time and I don't want the knee knock-in. So just take it open, take it out, take about this much in your finger, put it like here, down here, and then just rub it in. Make sure you don't put too much on there. Keep it bad. Take all this, put it all in there. Apply wherever you see the wood. Applying everywhere I can. Yep, so we have applied bed wax. Now we keep it at the side for 8 to 10 hours. So everything is done. Now we're good to go. If you want to put the clean surface in, and yeah, you can put the fiber tape. Use this fiber tape to just in the corner. I'm going to use it, but I need to put some surface as well. You can put in the corner here, here on the side, in the middle. Do not put the fiber tape straight on the wood, because after one season or two, when you try to remove or clean your bed, this is so hard to get out. So make sure you put the clear sheet first, and then apply the fiber tape on top. It's way better. And yeah, this is all for today. This is how you repair your crack. It's not a big deal. Just use your very quick, clean surface properly, and do not apply much, and it will take you long.